Hey guys, what's up? Chris Kelly's Garage. In this box, it's like the Christmas before Christmas. In this box is something that I borderline had to harass somebody to get. Took me about 2 to 3 months to get it. Kirk, thank you for yelling at him and hollering so I could get this package. We're gonna dive into it, show you what I got, and what it's gonna do. It come with lines I'm not going to use. It's my expansion tank. I call her Gen A. So what we have here is a 3-gallon expansion tank with two 12AN-12AN bungs. This is from Overkill Performance. So if you're running an FI inner chiller and you want colder temps, or I'd say more consistent temps, you're gonna want or need an expansion tank. So as you've seen already, we ran our 895 at 153. I do not have an expansion tank on the car, so during the whole changes and all that, I just have the chiller only, and what's happening is the temps will bottom out. So I'm seeing like 33 degrees, and as soon as it hits 33 degrees, within about 10 minutes it starts to climb, and then I'll notice it goes up to 50. What's happening is as the fluid is traveling through the system, what's flowing through the supercharger is heating up faster than the chiller can cool it down. So once the temps get to a certain degree, it starts to climb and then it kind of plateaus. So I'm noticing in track mode, which it usually gets 20 to 30 degrees, track mode's right around 50 to 60 degrees right now, and that's in really cold temps. So what's gonna happen, we're gonna add some fluid capacity. So this is pretty much gonna act like a dam. The chiller's gonna run to this, fill this up with freezing cold fluid, and then it's gonna come from here and go to the supercharger, and it's gonna run through the system. So hope this helps. I'm pretty sure we're probably gonna do an install video on it. I gotta get some AN stuff and some lines, and then we'll start putting it on the car. Stay tuned.